3 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание. Приходи и посмотри. Часть 2. Страница 21, 22, 23. English. Starlight 3. Come and see. Homework part number 2. Page number 21, 22, 23. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 21. 21. Exercise number 4. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Clean, dirty. Cooker, fridge, sink. Water, bath. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Listen and choose the right picture. Послушайте и выберите подходящую картинку. Which is Nick's school bag? Where's the fridge? Which is Erica's room? 1. Which is Nick's school bag? Oh, Nick, look at your school bag. I know it's dirty. Yes, it's very dirty. Where's the fridge? Is there a fridge next to the sink? No, there isn't. Where is the fridge? It's next to the cooker. Next to the cooker? Yes. 3. Which is Erica's room? I like your room, Erica. Thank you. There is blue bed. That's nice. Yes, and look, there is blue lamp too. A blue lamp? Oh yes, it's lovely. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Look at the picture and complete the poem. Посмотрите на картинку и завершите стихотворение. The answer. In my friend's house, there's a red TV. It's in the kitchen. Come and see. In my friend's living room, there are 2 mirrors. A green mirror here and a yellow mirror there. In my friend's bathroom, the bath is red. And in my friend's bedroom, there's a lovely red bed. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 22, 22. Grammarland. There is, there are. Affirmative. There is, there's a mouse on the table. Мышка на столе. Когда у нас идет единственное число, мы употребляем оборот there is. Когда множественное число предметов, мы называем there are. There are 2 mice on the bed. 2 мышки на кровати. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look, read and say yes or no. Посмотри, прочитай и скажи, да или нет. There are 4 rooms in the house. There's a clock in the bedroom. There are 5 spiders in the bathroom. There's a TV in the kitchen. There's a red sofa in the living room. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Ghostbusters. Look and say where the ghosts are. Охотники за привидениями. Посмотри и скажи, где находятся призраки. There's a ghost on the bed. There's a ghost on the bed. There are 2 ghosts under the bed. There are 2 ghosts in the wardrobe. There are 3 ghosts under the table. Let's play bedroom. There's bed in the bedroom. The answer, kitchen. There's a cooker in the kitchen. Living room. There are 2 armchairs in the living room. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3, page number 23. Complete the sentences, fill in there is or there are. Закончите предложение, вставьте there is или there are. The answer. There is a sofa in the room. There is a bookcase. There is a picture. There are books in the bookcase. There is a teddy bear. There are 2 armchairs. There is a lamp. There is a vase on the table. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Which picture? Read, look and answer. Какая картинка? Прочитайте, посмотрите и ответьте. There is a piano. Picture B. There is 1 blue armchair. There is a red lamp. There are 2 white sofas. There is a wardrobe. There is a big window behind the sofa. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn